Welcome back to the Pterodats Intensity 5, and all of a sudden premiere today. We have a very late 568 approaching. Yeah, very late 568's coming. 4116 and 4028.
4116, Mustang Golf Server restricting signal, taking the siding strap east.
Oh, that's it? That's all they got? Like, is that all they got? Yeah, we have a very late 568 coming with 4116 on the point. And it's almost 87 time too, so that's why I am premiering today. There's my friend. There they come. There they come. It's a very late one today.
Was I in your...
Yeah, you were.
I was in the video?
Yeah, you were.
That's okay.
Yeah, it happens.
There, now it can be on YouTube.
I guess. It's one of my friends. But they are about to cross over to the siding. As you heard on the radio, they have a restricting.
Oh, so they're coming straight down this track?
Well, they're crossing over to the siding and then working. So you're going to see them cross over any moment here. You'll see 4116. Yeah, see how it's making a turn right now? That's them crossing over.
How much cars did you?
I'm gonna count them. 1, 2. It doesn't look too big today, so you might throw these all into one. 4, 5.
Sorry.
6. Okay, so I guess they're all gonna go into one. I'll pause until they get a little closer. Okay, they're almost in. What I would believe is gonna go, and they're gonna go into track 1. 87 also is coming. They have a clear signal, as you can see right there. Yep. And, but it's not for this guy. Yeah, it just did. It's 4116.
Looks like he's coming on that track right over there.
Yeah, he's going on this. He's on the siding right now. What I would think they'll put the stuff that they got into through the switch that they are at right now. So just 2 engines today. Oh, they're going past one, or oh, they are going past one. Never thought they would do that. Yeah, they went past one. Okay.
Maybe they're going right up.
Yeah, maybe they're taking the ladder. Okay. I would have thought they would have thrown them in the one, but I guess not. They're going up the ladder instead. But the question is, where at the ladder are they going to? Because
he's getting out switching.
Yep. He's just, the conductor's just grabbing the ladder switch right now.
What's the ladder?
And you see that switch that he just threw? Because the ladder track goes down to where all the yard
Line
track...
up the ladder tape point, starting at 568. Ladder tape 568 ahead.
The ladder's like where all the yard tracks lead to. It connects...
He's gonna pull right up here, Taylor.
That's the car in 4. There's that empty that showed in Shakespeare. We'll grab it.
No, they turned all the lights out. Okay.
They're going right onto that track.
On the 4, I think? You think?
Yep.
Maybe they're going in the 4. I don't know. Like they could go to... Like they are doing something with that with that car and with that Shakespeare car in force, so you never know what they really are gonna do.
5, 5, 16. 5.
Oh no, they're not. They're going into 2. They said 5 cars, so they're going into 2.
Go 5.
They're going into 2.
2, 5, 16.
They're going into track 2.
They are?
Yeah.
You want to go down there by the crossing?
Last one.
He's not going to the crossing.
Stop you there. Set center, 5.
He's coming on the right track?
Huh? No, where the rear car is right there, they're gonna rewind that switch behind him and back them down to track 2, so.
Which one's track 2?
It's a switch behind where the last car is. You'll see the conductor throw it in one moment. He's just throwing his telemetry.
It's very weird.
Huh.
Usually never freight that comes in.
Well, this guy's so late today, so. Because he typically would come in at like.
Line into 2.68, back 7, 5, 16. 7, 5, 16, track 2.
Like they would typically come at like supper time, so. I'm gonna go back to the station one moment. Just in time to record. They're just about to do a slack test on 2, so I don't know what is going to be.
20 west, gonna clear signal for a shot. 568, clear on the fin, test 104. Clear for test, 5. Break, looking ahead.
You heard 87 do their mile 85, so yeah. Well, clear to the block signal at Forest Road, which I could have been there today, but I will be there on Thursday night. There goes my friend again. But 4116. Now where are they taking the tanker?
Ready to go, 516.
Oh, they're taking the tankers in the 4.
2, 516.
And I just heard the VIA on the radio, so he's almost here.
1 cat.
I don't know if we'll. Huh?
Where's he going?
And
The
stop,
CN?
Yeah.
They're going in the 4 now.
Oh, they're doing something with that Shakespeare car.
Yeah, with that Shakespeare car. Maybe they're doubling the tankers onto the Shakespeare, so. Yeah.
Yeah, let's wait for interfering in
There's no
line
worry.
for 4.68, track 4 to June. Track 4, 568, track 4, tell you.
There's no worry at all. And 87's almost here. I got it ready. There they back up.
Two to go, 560.
They're hooking right up to that car.
Yeah, and I think they're gonna shove back to cut those 2 off.
1 cat. Half a cat. 20. 10. Stop the stretch.
One moment.
Going in, 560.
One moment, guys.
Get set center, 560.
Now they're taking the Shakespeare car, and we are hearing the horn on the VIA, which has 920 on the point yet again.
These guys might hook up to those cars.
Well, they're clearing the track 4 switch, so, I don't know what they're gonna do next.
1 more, 560.
Probably not gonna couple up to those 2, because I think those are either GXR cars or cars for out west tomorrow. Yeah, sometimes they'll go westward to serve some customers up that way, so.
Those are cars and none of them.
And yeah, those are an 8, so
They're gonna sit right there till we comes in.
no, they're not.
Hey, clear on the side. Line out to the siding with tight points. Shove. 12, 560. Clear on the side, 560. Shove 12. Line out to the...
Oh, they're gonna put the rest in the 1. Okay, I thought they would do some kind of move in the 1, but I don't know where those. I don't know if those 4 cars are Kelly's or for GXRs. So, like the 4 cars they put into.
They're not taking any other tonight?
Nope. Well, not out west, but they could bring some out east, but I don't know. Well, he's going down to the siding, so they're not taking anything out west with them. So,
Free to go, 568.
so they're gonna throw this in the 1.
2 on 568.
And 87 should be coming up in a bit.
Last one.
There comes A7.
Yep, he's broken.
I'll stop you there for now, 568. C920 west, clear Stratford west.
Here he comes. Okay,
That'll be at departure. That'll be departure, not arrival.
No, their boarding call.
Yeah, that's the boarding call.
568, line track 1, points your tight. Back 10. Back 10, 568, track 1 tight.
Here comes 87.
So that guy didn't come under that?
No, the Via gonna come on the siding?
No.
6 to go, 5.
The freight?
6.
No, he's not gonna come this far anymore. Yeah, it's just... The one that is gonna come close is 87, so...
3 carriers, 568.
We're gonna tie on to the stuff that's already in one.
1 to go. And I'll stop there, 568. Well, 20 feet on the pin. 20.
Looks like it's 914.
No, it's 920
920.
and 903.
10 feet. Off and stretch. One going in, 568. Let's get that center, 568. SM87 Engineer 87 up here, the door's right hand side on the stop at Stratford. You bring anything for us? 4 cars, but they're in track 2. What they are, Dan? 4 hoppers. A couple of them
Nothing new tonight. That is... It's been 3 cars for almost a week. I think they're gonna have to modify this consist soon. And I'll pause. Departure. And off they go. 568's just about to change ends. 87 is away.
SM87 doors are closed and secured out. 87 doors closed and secured out. Away we go.
Location 881 crossing activated.
Wow, 87's not trying to waste time today. Delay 903 again. Which we will hear that K5LA tomorrow morning with 84. And I'll thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and subscribe. See you next one.
Station 8861, crossing deactivated.
TS61.